Dirty onion. Be careful with this onion, because they slippery. Easy as 1, 2, 3. I had to get a thumbnail. Good morning. How are you guys doing? Making hamburger helper. Something simple. I hate cutting up onions and bell pepper and thank you. You know what? I don't even got garlic bread, but I can make garlic bread. Bread, butter, and garlic powder. And then I put it in the oven. But I'm trying to stay away from all that because I got to lose weight. I done got huge over this pandemic and it's really weighing me down. Or They can eat some Hawaiian rolls with it. Can't go wrong with these, huh? I just started drinking this. It is sipping chicken bone broth with turmeric and thiobasil. Is that how you pronounce that? THAI. Let me tell you, when you look the benefits of bone broth, you heat it up in the microwave and you sip on it throughout the day. When you look up these benefits, they have a lot of wonderful benefits. So to the men and to especially to my ladies that's on here, try this. You have to heat it up though. Pour it in a cup and heat it up. And oh, you taste it. Okay. So yep, right on time. Hawaiian rolls. Okay. So who all have tried this? If you didn't try this, try this. It has a lot of benefits. A lot of benefits. And it's detoxing too, so it'll make you go to the bathroom. Let me get my strainer. Okay. So I'm straining it. I should have got ground turkey, but I've been had this ground beef. It's straining. What are you guys cooking today? If you haven't followed me, go follow me, please. Type down in the comments, well, after I probably, yeah, and tell me what would you like me to cook next. And I'll do it, long as it's not outrageous. I'll go buy it, and I'll do it. I'm straining it. Dang. Was it open? They don't have that many noodles in it. I could have put ground Italian sausage in there. 1 3/4 cups of milk and 1 3/4 cups of hot water. Let me turn that off. Let me get that off of there real quick. Because that looks like it's... I'm at work. I'm at work. This stove is old. So, let me get the milk. Okay. So it says 1 3/4 cups of hot water. This is a cup. 1 cup. Okay. Let's go 3/4. Now I ain't gonna look at that. I'm gonna do it how I do it. I'm gonna do that how I do it. Ain't nobody got time to measure that. Okay. Then they don't give you very much noodles. But I guess it's enough. I need more water. So then, be careful. Be careful. You're going to pour that in there. That was more than 1 pound. And you're going to pour that in there. And now, turn it back on. I'm stirring it. Everybody adds something to something when it's not on the box. And I add a half of real butter. That's what I do. And my onions. Oh, congratulations. So you about to be an auntie. And then I'm just letting it cook. So congratulations. Do you want do she or you want a niece or a daughter or a nephew or a son? That's your favorite hamburger helper or Hawaiian rolls? Hawaiian rolls. Good morning. Hawaiian rolls are good. They so soft. And they go with almost anything. You think you heard a little toot. What is a little toot? Here they go. Huh? Nothing better to do, huh? Must be miserable. Some people must be miserable. All my positive people on here, let's say a prayer for the miserable people. Let's take a moment of silence. Get well soon to the miserable people. Sorry that you're so miserable. So I'm just letting this simmer now. The onions are in here. The butter. Let me put the top on it. I'll put the top on it to let it simmer. So I'm trying to let it get done so I can let you guys see it. And of course, I gotta wash dishes. Let me turn you over here. Turn you over here. I got two phones going. Let me put these up. Let me put them up. Let me put them up. I think I washed that. I'm at work. on, put this in the water because I will never get poked. Ever get poked by that. And I don't want this bleach popping on me. That was easy. Dang. I don't want. Okay, let me turn you back around. Turn you back around. Okay. It's not done, but this is how it's looking. It's not done yet though. I'll be back with a mukbang. Mukbang.